Hello, in this video I'll show you top 9 secret features of Microsoft Edge browser. Now, it's a very easy process. Now, the first thing that you will notice once you will open the Microsoft web browser is there will be a lot of options, but the first option that you should look is for this particular option, which is also called collection. Now, if you click on this option, you will find few options right over here if you've already set anything. Now, if it is for the first time that you're using this option, it's actually a very good option that you should use if your work consists of more than one websites. Like for example, as you can see, I've already created a folder named work, and inside this folder, I have 3 sites that are pinned. So one is YouTube, one is Bing, and one is from a stock website. Now, as you can see, I currently have no pinned website at the top right over here. Now, all I will do is just click on those 3 dots. Then I will just simply choose open in all new tabs. And you will notice a work tab have appeared right over here. Now if I close this tab, you will find my work tab. Now if I just double click on this work tab, you will notice that all the tabs have been minimized, as you can see right over here. And if I even close the browser and reopen it, the work tab will still remain there, and the things that will be done inside the work tab will also remain right over here. And you can also right click on this and change the color, name. You can pin it, you can add new tabs and groups, ungroup stuff. You can also close the group if you want to. So it is very beneficial if you use multiple websites in order to work. Now, you must be thinking how to add a website. So it's a very easy process. So firstly, you will need to add a collection. Like as you can see, I have 2 collections. Now, in order to add a collection, which you can also call a group, just simply choose this option and then just rename anything. Like for example, group 1 or G1. Now, as you can see, there are currently 0 items. And now in order to add anything right over here, you have to just simply open the particular website. Like for example, eBay. So for example, if you want to add eBay, all you have to do is just simply open the website and just choose add current page. Then give it a few seconds and the page will be added right over here. And just like that, if you want to open Adobe, just choose that option and again add the current page, and that will add the current page. Then all you have to do is just choose the page and it will open it right over here. Now, you can say it's technically like a bookmark, but it is much more better to use. So that's the first feature. And if you ever want to delete a page or a group, just click on the 3 dots and choose delete. Then again delete. And that will delete the group. Now the next feature is you can create progressive applications. Like for example, let's say I will open Instagram. Now, in order to create a progressive website, what you can do is click on the 3 dots right over here and then go to the apps section and just choose install Instagram. Then click on install. Now wait for a few seconds. That will open a new tab. So what you will have to do, so over here, what you can do is you can create a shortcut on desktop. You can also add this on app startup, as you can see right over here. Then click on allow. Now you will find this particular page have been installed onto your browser, onto your desktop, as you can see right over here. Now this can also work offline if you work on an offline website, and it will directly start. As you can see, it will not start in the Microsoft Edge, but an individual application itself, as you can see right over here. So it is again one of the features of Microsoft Edge. Now the next feature that you can do is you can split screen. Like for example, that Windows has by default, if you just simply hover over it, you can see these options. These are split screens. So if you click on any one of the option, you can add a new page right over here. And you can choose any one of the applications that are shown right over here. Like for example, Instagram. So as you can see, this is the basic split screen in Windows. And you can also do this on Microsoft Edge as well. So in order to do that, just simply choose this option. It is also known as the split screen option inside the browser. If you choose this option, you can add a new page. So like for example, just simply open Google. And just like that, you will be able to use split screen. Now you can increase and decrease the size of the split screen, as you can see right over here. Now it's not as much advanced as Windows split screen because it is much more customizable and easy to use. But this is again a feature that you can use in Microsoft Edge. So if you ever wish to close any one of the split screen, all you have to do is just hover over the particular screen that you want to close, and you will find this X option. Just simply choose that and the split screen will be closed. Now, another feature that is available in Microsoft Edge is it has a built-in screenshot So if you click on the three dots right over here, you will find this snapshot option or screenshot option. So if you click on this option, you will be able to take screenshot. Now you will have the option of capture area or capture full page, depending on what type of screenshot that you want to take. Like for example, capture area. You can simply take a simple screenshot and then you're good to go. You can also move the page, as you can see right over here. You can also edit some stuff, like for example, if you mark up capture, then you can draw some lines, you can erase some lines, you can add multiple objects, you can save the image directly right over here. You can do a lot of things that you can do with a screenshot. So that's one of the features that you can get in Microsoft Edge. Now the next feature that you will get in Microsoft Edge is read aloud feature. Now, for example, if you want to know what is written on a particular website or article, but you don't really want to read yourself, you can use this feature. Like for example, there is a topic in front of me. It's a complete article. You want to know what is in the article, but you don't want to actually read. So over here, you will have the feature of auto read. So you will find this option right over here. You can also press F9 on your keyboard or Shift plus U to activate this particular feature. So just want to choose this option and this particular panel will appear at the top. And if you click on the play option, it will start playing and it will read it for you, as you can see. And the word that is currently being spoken is also being highlighted, as you can see right over here. Now you can change the voice options right over here as well. You can increase the speed, you can change the voice tone, and a lot more settings that you can play around with. Now the next feature that you should look is the efficiency mode. So click on the three dots right over here, go to settings, then go to system and performance. Now in the optimize performance section, you will have the efficiency mode as you can see right over here. So just simply enable this option, and now what this will do is, let's say for example, you're watching another video on a different browser, or you're playing a game, or you're watching Netflix and stuff, and your browser is on in the background. So what this will do is, it will not consume the amount of RAM and memory from your computer and will give a better experience for other applications that you're using. And the moment you will use this particular browser again, all the memory and RAM that is required to run the website, to run the particular task on this particular browser will again start. So that's basically what this particular feature is doing. Now there is again another setting that you can see right over here. So if you don't know, there is also a task manager in the browser itself. So you may already know the task manager that is available in Windows that can be accessed right over here. All you have to do is just simply open task manager and it will show all the applications that is currently running and using the memory and RAM and whatnot and all of that. There is a task manager in Microsoft Edge as well. So if you click on the three dots, then just going to go to more tools, and right over here, you will have the option of browser task manager. Click on this option and you will be able to see all the tasks that is running inside this browser that is using your memory, CPU, RAM, and all of that. And if you just simply want to remove any one of them, like for example this one, choose it, end process. And as you can see, that particular task is now over. So that's again a feature that is available in Microsoft Edge. And there are many more tools in this particular more tools section, and you can use a lot of them. And one of the most powerful one is cast media to device. So you can cast your entire Microsoft Edge browser to a device that you're trying to connect, like your TV or a laptop or on the phone. So this is also a feature that is available right over here. And the final setting on the tool of this video is inbuilt PDF readers. So in Windows, you will naturally need a PDF reader, like for example, Adobe Reader or any type of PDF reader to read a PDF. But in Microsoft Edge, there is an inbuilt PDF reader that you can use. All you do is just drag and drop your PDF onto the screen like this. Then hit enter and that will open your PDF. Now, you will have a lot of tools that is inbuilt over here as well. Like for example, you can draw stuff. You can add some text as well, as you can see right over here. You can also ask the Copilot to do stuff, including the PDF, like compile the data that is written on the PDF or some other task regarding that PDF. But this is also an option that you should keep in mind. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.